earncash2.com. That's what we'll be talking about today. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? Let's take a look at all of this. And also, please do subscribe to my channel. I have lots of videos about making money online. Check out some of these apps. There's lots of apps I have on my channel where you can make some really good money. Cryptocurrency, free cryptocurrency mining apps and stuff like that. And all kind of really cool stuff on here. Just check it out. There'll be links in the video description below. All kind of really cool stuff to check out and start making some money today, if you will. Lots of referral apps and stuff like that. Easy stuff to do. But anyways, let's check out this. And I'll be showing some of those apps at the end of the video here too, just as a bonus. Some of my favorite ones and everything. But anyways, let's take a look at this. Make $200 today. Earn money at school. Blah, 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 blah. Earn $10 for every user you refer. $25 sign-up bonus. Sounds like a really, really good deal. And basically, you have to do surveys and stuff like that. But let's take a look at this and figure out what's going on here, because it sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Leave the comments below if it does. Anyways, so basically, you just register, sign up, complete tasks and surveys, downloading apps and all kind of stuff. Share your referral links. Redeem your earnings whatever you want, whenever you want. Cash out your earnings instantly through PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and more. Then there's some testimonials here. Some frequent asked questions that you can take a look at. All right, so let's take a look at some red flags, though, because there are a few, and I've saw many, many sites like this in the past. There's a lot of videos about this kind of sites on my channel as well. And I'm just going to point some things out to you. You can make your own decision. Let's go here. All right. So first of all, let's go to, so here's the info. Let's go to info about us. All right. Scroll down here. They claim to be the #1 influencer network in the world since 2016. All right. And by the way, all these other sites that I've seen like this say they're the #1 influencer network, but 2016. So the site is what was created on 2021, May 27th of 2021. So there's that. So I don't know about that. Team experts, founder and CEO. Got this guy down here. But if you go over to reverse image lookup, this is like some free image you could download and just throw on your site. And there's a bunch of other ones here I found on Google. So I don't know about that. What do you think? Do you think that's real? Think it's legit? Are you going to trust these people? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, so let's take a look at something else here that I find very interesting. Go to our testimonials here. There's a bunch of different users down here, different videos. And I'm not going to go into all of them, but you can see this guy right here. There's a better look at him right there. Earn cash 2. And then you go on fiverr.com and you can just hire this guy to make a testimonial for you. Spokesperson video in full. $20, that's all it costs. So yeah, there's that. That's pretty interesting. I'm not going to look into all these other people on here, but I mean, if there's one fake review, why would you trust the other ones? So I don't know. Well, I do know, actually. I mean, I think you do too after seeing this. And you could probably go do some image reverse looks up of these images too. I tried these ones, but they're kind of, where is it at? In the info part. But I don't know where it was. Info about us. These images here, that when you go click, it's hard to get a good image of them because when you click on them, they just everything's come over overlays. So but I'm sure if you do an image reverse lookup on these ones as well, they'll just give you some stock photos that you find on the internet. So anyways, let me talk about some apps that actually you can start making some money with today. Well, these ones are crypto. The one I was showing you before is crypto mining apps. These are free apps. I'll put a link in the video description below for this as well. But I have a playlist here as well with 31 cash apps that work. Dosh is a really good one. Rakuten, free food, different rewards for things like that. And kit.com is a good place, or kit.co, actually not .com, is a good place to share your referral links. So there's all kind of really cool things on my channel. Check out. Some of them you can make money today. Some of my referral apps, I get something out of it, you get something out of it. It's a win-win situation. Just a really bunch of cool stuff. If you're interested in making a full-time living blogging or using affiliate marketing, check out my #1 recommendation in the video description below as well. And you know what? That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.